Welcome back. In this session, we'll be talking about illegal drugs, medication, alcohol, anything that may impair a crew member or the safety of an operation. It is the responsibility of the remote pilot in command to make sure that all the crew members are not impaired during the operation. The remote pilot in command needs to be aware of any prescribed or over-the-counter medication. Be aware if they state, "Do not drive or operate heavy machinery." The remote pilot in command needs to be aware of any illegal drugs or any consumption of alcohol. The FAA states that crew members are prohibited in the participation of operations if he or she has consumed any alcoholic beverage within the preceding 8 hours, or who is under the influence of alcohol or has a blood alcohol concentration of 0.04% or greater.